I'm Melissa Mancini with Canadian HR Reporter TV. I recently spoke to Liz Volk, Vice President of Human Resources at Longo's, who accepted the Innovation in Total Rewards Award on behalf of her team at the 2012 HR Summit Awards, presented by Canadian HR Reporter and the Human Resources Professionals Association.
Wow. Well, I guess like many folks here, wasn't expecting this. What an honor.
What innovative reward strategies have you implemented at your organization?
Well, the focus really began with wanting to ensure that we built in wellness into our Flex Benefits program. So we had a traditional plan that really didn't have the wellness components, and we wanted to ensure that our team members and their families were leading healthy lives. And that really kind of ties into the business that we do. So we implemented wellness components to it. So we implemented a wellness account for our team members where they could take advantage and get some points, and actually those points allowed them to then in turn shop in our stores. It connected to our loyalty program. So we thought that was kind of cool. So we put in a lot of services that made it easy just to use your benefits and understand them. Really simplified how to use dental and just the core elements of the program. But we also put in some other pieces like ensuring that we had smoking cessation, weight loss management drugs, an employee assistance program, a new short-term disability program. So we really kind of filled in a lot of the elements that would take somebody through the wellness journey.
What results have you seen from your initiatives?
It's been wonderful. Our team members are so happy. We've seen an increase in our engagement scores. We've definitely seen an increase in an understanding of how the benefits work. We've seen a rise in people taking advantage of the wellness initiatives, and we track those. They take advantage as well of all the technology, which is great. They go onto the website, they read the information, just a lot of services for ease within their benefits that I'm finding our team members didn't know they had before. So the level of education and usage has gone through the roof.
What does winning this award mean to you?
It really is a culmination of, there was so much effort and a lot of care and genuineness put into the program. So to actually be our team, to be acknowledged for that work, it's the icing on the cake. It's just so exciting because we actually got to deliver something that really made a difference in our team members' lives, and to be acknowledged for it is just it's so great.